that getting stem cell therapy or even a PRP injection will not reverse the whole disease process. So they will continue to suffer from pain. And so, with your concern that you mentioned earlier, Dr. Nono, so
Yes.
the three major concerns that I think we share as healthcare practitioners with our patients are with any pain therapeutic option that we offer our patients. Three things that they will continue to ask, or we ask ourselves. Is it going to be efficacious? Will it be effective in controlling their pain? Will it be effective in controlling the pain and influencing a better quality of life thereafter? Will it be safe for these elderly patients who have a lot of medical comorbidities? And finally, will they be able to tolerate it over an extended period of time, knowing that it's going to be a process that will never end?
Okay, so we have a video of a young patient, but not me.
So we're now looking for a magic drug? No, sorry.
Hopefully, let's
Hopefully.
see. Go.
Actually, laging nasakit yung ano ko eh. Joints ko, especially sa hands. Minsan sa likod, minsan sa paa. Ang mahirap dito talaga, pabalik-balik yung sakit. Basta, kahit anong galaw ko, masakit. Kahit minsan maga, sa hapon, minsan gabi. On a daily basis talaga masakit siya. In terms of pain, alam mo, range na lang natin between 2 to 10. Sa umaga, pagising ko pa lang, siguro mga 5. And then pag nakagalaw-galaw na ako, magiging 6 to 7. Pagdating ng paa ko ng paggabi, masakit na talaga yung nararamdaman ko, maabot na ako dati. Talagang bothersome, lalo ngayon sa aking age na 56. Masakit siya talaga. Kadalasan, ang ginagawa ko, hilot. Mga hilot. Pagkatapos ng hilot, kapag hindi kaya, maglalagay ako ng siguro mga thermal. Pag hindi na kaya ng thermal, maglagay ako ng oil. Pag masakit na, talagang bibili na ako ng gamot. At yung gamot na yun, kadalasan 2 to 3 minutes, 2 to 3 hours. Wala na yung epekto. Kaya yung quality of life ko, medyo disappointing. Hindi ako makatulog sa pamilya ko. Minsan yung lahat ng gusto ko na para mag-enjoy ako, kahit man lang parang self-relaxation ko, wala.
So here, you see a 56-year-old. This is the second case. What was not expressed by the patient that he has degenerative disc disease and he has post-titanium implant, and comorbidities includes diabetes, hypertension, with hypercholesterolemia. Therefore,